So just Sioux Cooligan here on route back from Kemp Lake, and boat started filling with water. I got double-sided pontoons on my boat, but I guess my cooler was too full of fish or full of friggin' beer. So yeah, my yacht here was almost sinking. Something happened. I could hear the water coming in the boat, and it was getting a little sketchy when you got two batteries on board and you're getting your shoes soaked. You're about a foot deep in the back of the boat with water and two batteries. The water was almost up to the top of the batteries, so you know that's time to get to shore. You know what I mean? Otherwise you're gonna get zapped, bro. Yeah, you know, Sioux Cooligans just getting a ride in the back of the truck on the way home. Wouldn't have made it, but we're making it. We're making it all right. Oh yeah, we're almost there. Don't worry about me, but kids, I got my seatbelt on. Don't even worry about that. Happy camp. Oh, almost lost the freaking boat there. This is what the real Sioux Cooligans do in Canada today, folks. All y'all hooligans. I better get my feet in. Going about 60. Alright, boat's home. We're good. Seatbelts, life jackets, they were all used today. Sioux Cooligans out.